Dynamic pricing automatically adjusts room rates based on real-time demand and occupancy, helping hotels maximize both revenue and bookings. How does it work? With dynamic pricing, you can configure discounts based on room category, occupancy levels, day-wise pricing rules. You can also define a minimum and maximum rate range to ensure that room prices never fall below or exceed your preferred limits, even after discounts are applied. Once the pricing rules are configured, simply click Run Now to automatically update room rates according to the defined settings. Let's learn how to use dynamic pricing in the eGlobe panel. After logging into the eGlobe panel, navigate to Manage Channel, then Dynamic Pricing. This will open the dynamic pricing screen where you can configure occupancy-based discounts for your property. Here, select the discount day and define the discount values. Discounts can be configured according to occupancy percentage and room category. Once the values are entered, click Save. Please note that dynamic pricing always calculates discounts based on the rack rate. For this example, we are configuring a discount for the current day. If the same discount needs to be applied for the next 10 days, simply select the date range from current day to T+9. This means 10 days. The discount configuration will be copied across all selected dates. Before running dynamic pricing, let's review the occupancy levels for today and tomorrow. Next, review the room rates. The rates displayed here are the rack rates, and the configured discounts will be applied to these rates. You can also view the corresponding channel rates. Now return to the dynamic pricing screen and click Run Now. Select the dates on which you want to apply the discount. To select multiple dates, hold the Control key while choosing the required days. For this demonstration, we will apply dynamic pricing for today and tomorrow. After selecting the dates, click Submit. The system will automatically calculate the discount based on the occupancy rules and apply it to the rack rates. You can now see the updated rates and review the detailed calculations to understand how the final pricing has been derived.